Hey everybody, it's Up North Guy Mixology again with another awesome cocktail recipe. It's called Between the Sheets. It is a brandy-based drink. It's a classy cocktail. You want to learn how to make it? I'll share the recipe with you in this video. Okay, so let's talk about the ingredients. The main spirit in it, like I mentioned earlier, is brandy or cognac. Cognac is just another type of brandy, if you didn't know that already. I actually prefer cognac. This one brand is Courvoisier. I also like Hennessy as a brand too. The key with the brandy or the cognac is to get what they call the VSOP. That means it's at least 10 years aged, I think, for this type of spirit. You definitely want something that's aged more. The cheaper brandies, the less aged ones, they just don't taste as good. I definitely notice a difference with this. Spend a little extra money, get yourself the VSOP. That's the main spirit in the drink. There also includes rum in the drink. I'm using Bacardi here, but what you really want is a light or dry rum, a clear rum, not one of the dark rums for this drink. And then it takes an orange liqueur. Our recipe actually calls for Cointreau, but if you know anything about Cointreau, Cointreau is an excellent liqueur. It's an orange liqueur, but it's also very expensive. It's about $45 a bottle. And to me, I can't taste the difference between that and what I do use in it, which is just a little triple sec here. This is about $8 a bottle, orange liqueur. And then the last thing in it is lemon juice. And if you know anything about my videos, I always fresh squeeze all my juices. Definitely do it here with the lemon juice as well. I'll show you how to do this in the video here. It will make a difference, I guarantee it, in the quality of the drink and the taste that comes out of it. So lemon juice is also in it, just a little splash of simple syrup that we'll add to complete the recipe. All right, we're going to make the garnish with the lemon as well as get the lemon juice for the drink. So I'm going to take a lemon, cut it in half, then we get in there and take the seeds out, and then get it on a citrus juicer. I'm using a little Cuisinart machine here. This works really well. Take the half of the lemon, put it on top there. It's going to extract out the juice. We'll set that aside, and you just want to do this for as many lemons as you need here. It's about an ounce per lemon, depending on the size of the lemon. And once you have it juiced out like that, you do want to strain it because there's a lot of pulp that gets in there. So run it through a metal strainer a couple of times, usually to get the pulp out. So now that's the lemon juice. We're going to make the lemon twist here. So you want to get all that pith and material out of the middle of it, and that will make a good twist. So you want to cut the bottom. So I'm showing here sort of across it there, and just cut a slice all the way through. And then that'll get at the middle of it where you want to sort of like scrape this stuff out. This is the hardest part of doing this, just sort of to strip that pith and pulp out of there. You may need to cut it open a bit to do that. It's kind of naturally curly, so it's going to work its way into a twist. But if you just put it around your finger like this and squeeze it, that is going to make up your lemon twist for the drink. The glassware with this, just a martini glass, cocktail glass, could be a rocks glass, could also work for this. I like these little stubby martini glasses with a thick bottom here. That's the one that I'm going to use. Then we're just ready to mix it up. Now, normally what I like to do is mix a batch of drinks. If you're the host, it's much easier to have a batch already ready. You just pour it in the shaker, you shake it up, and then serve it. This drink's a little bit more complicated with that. With the 4 flavors here, I'm not sure how well it would sit. This one's better mixed up individually. So that's what I'm going to do here, and I'll show you how to do that. Real simple to remember. 1 ounce each of the cognac or brandy, the rum, the triple sec, and the lemon juice. Pour this out with my 1 ounce on the rum, liqueur, which is the triple sec, lemon juice. Shake this up, give it a good shake, get it nice and chilled. And I'm just going to pour this out into our glass here. When you serve it this way, this is called being served up. So I strained the ice out. I did not put any ice into the drink here. So that's called serving it up. The last thing you want to do is just add just a touch, not much, just a little bit of the simple syrup in there, just a dab to kind of sweeten it up. And then, of course, add on your garnish. The lemon twist can go on the rim like that. And that, my friends, is Between the Sheets. Woo! All right, so that's it for Between the Sheets recipe, one of my favorite cocktails. I served it New Year's Eve this year. It was a real hit. Hey, be careful with this drink. It's a little bit on the strong side because you got 3 parts alcohol to 1 part non-alcohol. Don't overserve your guests. Always drink responsibly. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up, share it out with somebody, drop a comment in there if you made this drink or had any other variation on it. Check out my channel, it's Up North Guy on YouTube. You can subscribe to the channel real easy. It's no cost, no obligation. Got more mixology videos, other videos about how-tos, product reviews, life and living up here in beautiful Northern Michigan.